What's up everyone guys, my name is Victor Vasu and welcome to my channel Windows Victor. A few days back I published a video on how artificial intelligence could be used to interview job candidates. Now if you haven't gone through that video, please go check it out, link is in the description. I hope you would enjoy it. Now I asked you guys to debate on it whether this use of artificial intelligence to interview job candidates is a good choice or not. Means whether it is right to use artificial intelligence for interviewing job candidates. So the rules were simple, that you have to go to Twitter, type hashtag TechFightVictor, then type the name of the topic. After that you have to type your opinion. And even if you do not have a Twitter account, then no problem. You could go to the comment section below of that video and type your opinion after hashtag TechFightVictor. Now I told that I would be reviewing all your opinions in the next upcoming videos of Windows Victor. So I shared that video on two of the social media platforms. One was on Twitter and the next one was LinkedIn. And a user from LinkedIn actually responded to this video. The user's name is Kaulik Sadhu. And Kaulik, if you are watching this video, then I would like to say thank you very much from deep inside my heart. Thank you very much for contributing your knowledge. So he said that the most successful AI seen till date is the Google Assistant. But sometimes even Google Assistant fails to answer some tricky questions and starts searching web. In that, how much feasible is it to use AI to interview candidates for certain job, considering the candidate should be examined from all perspectives? How would they tackle such situation? Yes, it is true that the Google Assistant is not accurate at all. According to Google, it has got 95% accuracy for recognizing human voice and human speech. Now, different surveys were made about these performances of Google Assistant, then Apple Siri, then Amazon Alexa. So surveys were made based on their performance, how they are interacting to different questions, means what is their performance level, and they concluded a certain statistical report. It is said that the Google Assistant is 80 to 85% accuracy for tackling all types of questions, and Apple Siri is between 70 to 80% accurate for tackling all types of questions, and Amazon Alexa is between 65 to 70% for tackling all types of questions. Now these surveys were made by different organizations, so they range between 80 to 85%. Means some would say that it is 85.5% accurate for Google Assistant, and some would say that it is 80% accurate for Google Assistant. So it is Google, or it is the Apple, or it is the Amazon, but this company is not Google or Apple or Amazon. So what would be their accuracy for speech recognition? They have never declared such estimation or such kind of calculation that our speech recognition system is this much accurate. So after all, it is a question of job and someone's career related to it. So it is a great opinion to say that the use of artificial intelligence for interviewing job candidates is not quite the right choice, because yes, this accuracy does matters, and for the fluctuation in this accuracy of the program or the algorithm might cost someone's job. Now I mentioned that Google has got 95% accuracy for speech recognition. Now all these companies, Google, then Amazon, say that their speech recognition or their product, Google Assistant by Google and Amazon Alexa by Amazon, are the best in the market. Now why do they say this? They have got proofs to say that their product is the best one. Now Google Assistant has got 95% accuracy according to Google, but they say that it is the best product because the average threshold for human beings to speak English language is actually 95%. So their estimation is that the accuracy of their Google Assistants for recognizing speech is equivalent to the average threshold of human beings to speak English language. So that's why they say that their product is the best one. Now how is this calculated? This average threshold for human beings to speak English language is actually 95%. Now this calculation is whole a complex thing. It is based on two practical facts, that average of the human beings could speak 150 words in English per minute, and the same average amount of human being could type 40 words per minute. So like this a calculation is made, and it is estimated that the average threshold for every human being to speak English language is 95%. So this is how the Google claimed that their product is the best one. Now Amazon claimed that their product is the best among all of the other products in the market, with 70 to 75% accuracy. Now it is observed that the Amazon Alexa means the interacting speed of Amazon Alexa with the user is quite fast compared to other products. It is said that the Amazon Alexa might have some kind of inbuilt voice recognition system, which means constantly learns the voice of the user while interacting. Means the more it interacts, the more it understands the voice of the user. So it has one kind of voice recognition system, so that's why the interaction is much faster compared to other products. Now this fact is not actually officially means claimed by Amazon that they are using some kind of voice recognition system inside their Amazon Alexa, but it is means based on observation that the interacting speed or the Alexa actually means quickly understands within a fraction of second. It understand what is his user saying, means it has very quick interactions thing in it. So that was all for this. In my previous video I mentioned that how an AI algorithm would scan your face, then means predict what kind of gesture you are using while talking or while speaking. Now I mentioned that the AI algorithm actually creates a 3D vector coordinates of your face, then it predicts what kind of gesture or what kind of facial expression you are showing, means whether you are angry or you are emotional or you are happy, means that kind of expression it could predict. Now this creation of 3D coordinate is totally a hardware accelerated process. You need a total hardware setup to create the 3D coordinates of your face. You need infrared camera, then dot projector, then ambient light sensor, and all these types of stuffs you need to create the 3D coordinates of your face, and then only you can use it to predict or to use it to train a model for prediction of your facial expression. Now what I said in my previous video was actually wrong, I would say, because if you don't have that kind of hardware requirement, or if you don't have that kind of hardware acceleration, it is impossible to create the 3D coordinates of your face. Means it is not the AI algorithm, it is the hardware that is creating your the 3D coordinates of your face, means the infrared camera, then your proximity sensor, then all types of requirements that are actually necessary to create the 3D coordinates of your face. These things are required right at that moment to create the 3D coordinates. Then it could be used for prediction for later purposes or by the algorithm. So actually what I stated was that it was one kind of online interview. So in online interview in front of the web camera, or you're in front of the mobile front camera, your mobile front camera or the web camera might not have that kind of hardware requirement. So without that it is totally impossible to create the 3D coordinates of your face. Now there is also another way to find the gesture of your face or from your facial expression. Now this is also a feature extraction process. Now these features are actually different from the feature points which are mentioned in the 3D coordinate system. I mentioned during the 3D facial gesture recognition that the 3D vector points feature or the feature points, these features are actually a little bit different. Here features I mean that the whole face is scanned, and the cheekbones, the region of your cheekbones, the region of your eyes, the region surrounding your lips, and the region of your foreheads are taken as the are taken as the means the features of your face, means they are compressed after all. Afterwards they are compressed as separate features. Means while you are angry, your forehead, the features of your forehead might be different, the features of your means cheekbones are different, the features surrounding your nose are different, the features surrounding your lips are different. So like these features are extracted from your face, and then it is actually compressed for prediction. So this is how the feature extraction technique works. Now this difference between this feature extraction and this feature 3D feature coordinates is that the 3D vector points are more accurate compared to this 2D, means 2D image feature extraction. In 3D vector coordinates means it could work in any kind of situation, in low light, or in case you have a beard, or in case you have some kind of scars in your face. Might not be means the situation might be a bit foggy, means it performs accurately and precisely. But when it scans the 2D image and extracts the feature from it, the features of your face from that image, it means it does not always perform well. Means it has to be the best situation that your image quality is high, and you have to be means if you have beard, it takes the beard as your features also, so it might not be a well predictive model in that case. That's why through this features extraction it is not a fully efficient, I would say. Now according to my opinion, means this kind of feature extraction process are actually used during this kind online interviews. So means while the video are recorded, the person's frames are being separated, and then there for each frame the features are extracted, and they are judged that what kind of expression they are making. So in the same way, your eye contact could also be tracked without using 3D vector coordinates or the 3D feature vectors. Now here also a model is actually trained by the images of eyes, means eyes that are looking up are labeled as means up, or the eyes which are looking down are labeled as down, eyes which are looking left are labeled as left. So different images of these eyes are actually trained to the model. Now throughout these images, the main information that is taken to train the model is the features of this eye. Means the eyeball which is looking up is having a different feature compared to the eyeball which is looking down. So like these features are extracted from the eyes, and then the model is predicted. What I mean to say is that suppose your eyebrows, means suppose your means an eye is looking up, simply means your eyeball is moving more towards the eyebrows. Now these kinds of features are actually extracted. Now these features helps the model to train and then predict for further unknown cases whether the eye is looking up or the eye is looking down. Same is for left and right also. So I would say that this was a good approach to use AI for job interviews or for interviewing job candidates, but it is not actually in that phase that it should be used by everyone. What I mean to say is that means here they are using the algorithms that are not fully efficient. They have much better chances of errors, means they means a little bit of that error could cost someone's job. So it is not actually in full phase to be used in means globally used or to be globally accepted as. So that was my opinion regarding interviewing of job candidates through AI. What is your opinion? Yes, I want to know your opinion about what you think. Is it good to use this AI technology for interviewing job candidates? What kind of improvement do you think that the technology could be brought to, so that it could means perform well, or it could perform in a better way? So if you want to go against my opinion or if you want to go against colleague's opinion, please go to Twitter, type hashtag TechFightVictor, type the title of the video and then tweet your opinion about this topic. It could be against the motion or it could be for the motion, it doesn't matter. And if you don't have a Twitter account, please go to the comment section below, type hashtag TechFightVictor and then type your opinion about this topic, means this use of artificial intelligence to interview job candidates is it for good or is it bad. So please like this video if you like it, share this among all your friends and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Please subscribe to Windows Victor and also don't forget to press the notification button because I would be returning with more tech contents very soon. Till then, thank you very much.